Welcome, healthcare stakeholders. Ready for a fast-paced explainer on the massive domestic growth drivers in India's plasma fractionation sector? Okay, let's dive into this. Why exactly is Indian plasma fractionation suddenly such a high-stakes investment opportunity? Here's the bottom line. We're looking at a market projected to hit a whopping $655.67 million by 2033. And this brilliantly illustrates the sheer scale of it, representing a highly impressive 6.02% compound annual growth rate. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the fundamental macroeconomic shift completely de-risking the market: domestic manufacturing. Aggressive government policies and regulatory frameworks are actively paving the exact path to complete domestic self-sufficiency. Let's move to and see how this builds a systematic deployment of capital straight into local supply chain infrastructure. Shifting from whole blood to dedicated plasmapheresis is a massive technological leap that literally maximizes clinical output for investors. So where's the money going? Capital is flowing heavily into high-growth segments, directly linking proteins to crucial clinical applications. These targeted immunoglobulins, they're absolute revenue engines driven by surging medical awareness across major Indian metropolitan hubs. Right now, biopharma giants are deploying heavy, targeted capital across these four specific infrastructure sectors. Advanced safety protocols elevate these domestic products straight to rigorous international standards, which further de-risks your investment. Look at the active market movers. Established giants like Reliance are proving viability through massive nationwide network expansions. So the crucial point is how Intas is strategically scaling up extraction capacity to directly meet surging domestic needs. Similarly, Virchow's dropping heavy capital into automated fractionation tech to guarantee significantly faster financial yields. Plus, targeted investments by Hemeris and Plasmagen in safety and logistics are actively securing those critical raw material streams. It's official. India is definitively transitioning into a highly profitable, self-reliant global biopharma hub for life-saving therapies. With the domestic supply chain rapidly de-risking, which high-yield clinical segment will command your next major capital deployment?